Train Control 3, work all tracks between Orinda and Walnut Creek Station till 05:15 hours. Read back.
Train Control 3, work all tracks between Orinda and Walnut Creek until 05:15 hours.
Train Control 3, your readback is correct. C line blanket 0129. And do you need talk to?
Can I get maintenance 3, please?
Train Control 3, authorized to use maintenance 3. Time now 0129.
Hey, Rick, how we looking down there? Hey, Rick, you got a copy?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, well, I see Ed, he's walking up. So if you want, go ahead and start sending ones and zeros, and we could start getting that circuit data. So by the time Ed gets here, he just hook up the laptop and we'll check the receiver call.
Yeah, I know. I'm checking the step right now.
Okay, copy.
Okay, sending ones. Alpha frequency.
Copy.
93. 100. Okay, so I got 100 for receive and 93 non-receive.
That's what. I can live with that.
Okay, sending zeros.
85.
90 receive. Okay, so I got, what was it, 85 for receive? 90.
85 non-receive.
85 non-receive, copy. Okay. Yeah, we're moving a little slow. We're kind of in training over here. So, sending normal.
Receiver coil 45.2.
45.2, copy.
Hey, Fernanda.
Okay, go ahead.
Threshold 83.8. Ones received 185. Zeros received 223. Ones interference 2.9. Zeros interference 2.1. And no change to packet jumpers.
Okay, what was the interference again?
Yeah, ones was 2.9 and zeros was 2.1.
Okay, copy that thing.
And we have good detection. Okay, we'll leave the box open for you guys.
10-4.
And the radio will be here too.
10-4, copy.
Hey, Rick, we're going to go ahead and do the beat point real quick.
10-4?
Hey, so Ed, you ready for us to drop the shot?
Yeah, go ahead. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
No, it's still clear. Sending one.
I'll stand by. We're finishing up the beat point. Well, the paperwork's missing, so it takes a little longer.
Yeah, 103, none received.
And 9?
103.
Okay, what did you get for receive?
Give Alex a second. He's getting on there.
Okay, 10-4.
Yeah, we were doing the beat point.
Yeah, copy that. Coach gave me his non-receive a little too quick.
Rick, my beat point's occupied. Are you sending the zeros or anything?
I was sending one. Are you still occupied?
Yeah, I won't be coming to your box. We're going to figure it out from here. Stand by.
What's the frequency?
Foxtrot.
And you're sending one? No, I'm sending normal.
Now I'm sending one.
101. Receive 101. Copy. Okay, but you're 103, right?
C.
Okay, sending 0. 82.
80.
Okay, copy that. Sending normal. Did you guys get a receiver coil reading?
Negative. That's going to be a little bit.
Okay, 10-4. We're standing by.
Receiver coil 47.0.
Okay, what was the receiver coil?
47.0.
Wait, read it again. What is it?
47.0.
47.0. Copy.
Did you change the step or anything over there? Because my ones are really high.
No.
Okay, I want to change the captain jumpers.
Do you have to adjust the captain jumpers?
Yeah, just stand by. Give us a minute.
Okay, this block was an ISO back in August.
Hey, can you flip those ones real quick? Oh, never mind. Leave it normal.
Okay, setting normal.
Hey, Rick, so give us a second. We found out why this thing was IFOing. When they were selecting the old transformers, they were using the wrong transformers. Those captain jumpers are all completely screwed up on this. So now that we know the right transformer, we got to basically start from scratch to figure it out.
Okay, copy that. So where are you at now?
Yeah, we're figuring out right now. Yeah, stand by.
Okay, 10-4. So you guys are still in the process of figuring. Okay. Yep, we're standing by. No problem. Take your time.
Well, we just figured out what's going on. Now we can move on from this point.
Copy that.
Flip us ones real quick.
I'm sorry, what was that? You want me to send ones?
Okay, we're good. Keep it normal.
Okay, normal.
Okay, you ready for your data?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, 83.7 for threshold. Was received, 188. Zeros received, 297. Was interference, 2.1. Zeros interference, 6.5. And the jumpers and the taps have been changed. They are, the taps is 2 and 10, and the jumper is 5 and 9.
Okay, so you said, jumper 5.9, tap is 2.10.
Yes, that is correct.
Okay, we got it.
Yeah, this was a special transformer. It was on the bottom of the list. It looks like a black top, but it's not. And there's a name on the side of it, so it's a whole different one. And then when we put it over, use that one, the jumpers and the taps that were on there weren't even on the list. So it was, and that's probably the reason why this was outside before. Because it looks just like a black top one. It fooled me.
Oh, wow. That should have been the problem the whole time.
Yeah, that's what I'm guessing. They thought they put it as an old blacktop, but it wasn't it.
Okay, 10-4. Wow, that's great.
Yeah, it's a total 33.9 something dash 3. That's not even a new one with center tap. It looks like all the other ones, but the only way you can tell is you actually have to read the numbers on the side of it.
Yeah, copy that.
Okay, Rick, your transmit box is 15, time slot 15, and it's open.
Okay, so my time slot's going to be 15. Copy. Okay, are you sending ones? Zeros? 10-9?
Alex, you're not even down here yet.
Okay.
Okay, copy that. Okay, receiver coil, 50.9.
Okay, so receiver coil, you said 50.9?
Yeah, that's correct, 50.9.
Hey, Ed, wasn't 8 alpha one of the problem blocks out here for a while?
Sorry, guys, I was on the wrong maintenance channel.
Hey, Rick, how we looking? You almost ready to send ones and zeros?
Yeah, almost. Okay, sending ones. Is it Bravo? Bravo.
94.
97.
So I got 94 on the non-receive.
C.
And 97 on receive.
C.
Sending zeros.
80.
85.
Sending normal. Okay, threshold, 83.7. Was received, 187. Zeros received, 292. One's interference is 14.4. Zeros interference, 21.0. And no change after jumpers.
Can you read me the interference again?
Ones was 14.4, and zeros was 21.0. Occupied. Clear. Good detection. Okay, I'm leaving your box open. It's time slot 7. It's pretty far down, it's like 1,000 feet, but yeah, I'll leave it open for you.
Okay, 10-4. Yeah, we got to keep an eye on the clock, because I think we're going to be end up doing the prohibit at the end of the night.
Yeah, we should be okay. It's a Saturday. So we're going to do one more block.
Okay, 10-4. And what was our time slot?
You'll see me standing next to it.
10-4.
Receiver coil, 51.3.
51.3.
Correct.
Okay, stand by. I'm going to do an adjustment.
Yeah.
Anyone's.
It's alpha frequency. Alpha. 85.
What did you say again? Repeat that number?
85.
That was 85 for non-received.
C.
91.
Okay, 10-4, stand by.
Hey, what do you got now?
96.
99.
Sending zeros.
86.
87.
Okay, 10-4, sending normal.
Okay, I need to change the captain jumper, so stand by.
10-4.
Okay, stand by. This one's a weird one again. It's a red top transformer, but the list of jumper settings it's not on my list of where it's set at. So I have to kind of go back in and out to see if I can figure this one out.
I'll tell you what, after these boxes, I'm definitely not buying a lottery ticket tonight.
Send me ones real quick. Okay, go back to normal.
Yeah, you got normal.
Okay, threshold 83.8. Ones received 185. Zeros received 280. Ones interference 1.4. Zeros interference 5.5. Now the captain jumpers have changed. Jumper 7 and 8. Tap 411.
Okay, let's hurry up and close these cursed boxes before something else happens.
We got good detection. 10-4.
Hey, Butch, if you want to go down and start turning on that car and warm it up, feel free.
I don't have the key.
Yeah, I got the key over here. I got the keys over here with me.
Okay, just let me know when your box is closed, Ed.
Our box is closed.
Central. I'll check with Central.
Okay, transmitter box is closed.
All right, we're all good, guys.
Okay, Ivan, it's the train control right now.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Okay, I see XL675, looks like it's dropping down. Are you dropping the shunt right now?
No, we're just cleaning the contact.
Okay, 10-4, yeah, because I have flowing right now. The relay is going up and down.
10-4. Yeah, we just taking out the one of the resist what's that? The transmit TVs.
Oh, okay, copy that. Oh, so you're at the box right now, cabinet.
Yeah, we're at the box. At the cabinet.
Okay, copy that. And yeah, relay's up right now.
Yeah, the line is still clear, right?
Copy that. 675 is clear right now.
10-4. Hey, Joanne, we got the shunt. Is it down right now?
Yeah, relay is down.
10-4. Hey, what about now?
And relay is up.
Okay, 10-4. Yeah, Joanne, we are wrapping up here.
Okay, copy that. You meet outside, or you want to meet back at the warehouse?
We can all go back to the Century one, because our truck is inside the house, inside the yard.
Okay, copy that. Thanks.
MECC, can you please show train control 3 clear to C line? All crew equipment clear, track and track race to ETO.
Train control 3, clear to C line blanket at 0458. Good morning.
458,